Okay, we'll be using the gyros in this video. This is the page you'll be using. At the top right, click fork to copy it to your account. Once it's copied to your account, go to your Visual Studio Code, View, Command Palette, Clone from GitHub. You will see an entry for MeGyro. Select a folder to store the files. Once it's cloned, add it to your workspace. Open the src main. This will be the code that instantiates the MeGyro. Set up the serial port, instantiate by .begin, then read from the gyro. Change the environment using the bottom. Select MeGyro. Then click upload. Okay, if you see this error, you have to specify the upload port using the INI file. Then click upload again. Okay, when it's done uploading, open a serial monitor. Enter the port index. Then it will print out the X, Y, Z values. Okay, so if you move the car, then it would change the values. So for Z is the up down. So if I raise the car, the Z values are bigger. Then X and Y, so if we tilt the car, then the values will change. And this way, this will be the X. So this is X. This is Y. And this is Z. Okay, so that's the MeGyro, how to interact with it and get the values from the sensor.